Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. I'll be teaching you how I hold my hook and how I hold my yarn. So what I do when I start is I like to hold my hook like a knife. Some people prefer to hold it like a pen, but for me, I prefer to hold it as a knife as it keeps my tensions more consistent. When it comes to yarn, how I like to hold my yarn is on the yarn hand itself. I will wrap the yarn around my pinky and snake it through my hand. This will allow me to have good tension, and then also it will allow me to change the speed of how much yarn I want as the project goes on.